How to use max RAM speed in 2025 the only way. Most people get this wrong, but using max RAM speed isn't just about buying high-frequency modules. You won't believe the difference proper configuration can make to your system performance. First, enter your BIOS or UEFI settings during boot. Look for the memory or DRAM section. Here you'll find current speed, voltage, and timings. Most RAM modules default to standard JEDEC speeds for stability. Next, enable XAMPP Extreme Memory Profile or dock depending on your motherboard. This automatically applies the rated speed and timings of your RAM. Without enabling XAMPP TCB, your system won't run at full potential. Check voltage settings. Some high-speed RAM requires slight increases in voltage to maintain stability. Ensure your CPU and motherboard support the specified voltage to prevent crashes or damage. Finally, save settings and boot into your operating system. Test stability with stress testing software like Memtester Prime. Adjust settings if instability occurs. Running RAM at max speed can improve gaming, rendering, and multitasking performance noticeably. In conclusion, using max RAM speed in 2025 involves enabling XAMPP dock in BIOS, checking voltages, and testing stability. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll unlock the full potential of your memory module safely.